This is my 1971 F250 Bumpside. It's 4-wheel drive. It's got brand new 37-inch 1350 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. So you got the hairs on the tires, KMC wheels. Truck's super nice. It's all frame off restored. Everything's pretty much brand new. It's got a satin black paint job. It's not a wrap. Good looking. Everything that was chrome was repainted high gloss black. LED headlights. Undercarriage is super nice. No leaks, no stories. It's running a 79 frame and running gear. So you got all the goodies from that. So you got the upgraded power steering. You've got dual stabilizer there. Brand new 6-inch Skyjacker lift. This thing is just cool. Nice truck. Bed's all Rhino-lined. No dings, no dents in this truck at all. Pretty much everything's brand new. Dana 60 in the rear, Dana 44 up front, smoked lenses all the way around, smoked taillights. Rear bumper's been cut on both sides to shorten it up so it sits flush with the body almost. It's one of my favorite trucks I ever had, but I think I'm gonna let it go. This looks cool from every angle. Tinted windows. Take a look inside here. Billet handles. Of course, bottom of the doors are perfect. Nice comfy seat. Headliner's awesome. Got a tilt wheel. So he's got an automatic in it. This gauge cluster is all painted that high polished black. Got a Bluetooth stereo in it. TMI dash. Super cool truck. Take a look under the hood real quick. Everything's like new. It's got a 400, it's already built. Edelbrock manifold, carburetor, power steering, power brakes. It's hard to see in the pictures, but air cleaner, valve covers, all painted like a flat gray color. As far as also the oil pan is all painted that same color. Nice, nice, nice truck. You do a quick startup video. I'll leave the phone sitting here for a second. It's idling high just because of the choke. Hit that, comes down. This thing runs like a top. No smoke, nothing like that. This is a nice, nice truck. I'll be sad to see this one go when it does. Anyways, reach out if you have any questions. This is a nice, nice Bumpside. All right, thank you. Have a good day.